I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our LED trim ring on a 2014 street light. Our headlamp trim rings are available in gloss black and chrome finish, and come with built-in white LEDs which stay on as a running light, and amber LEDs which operate as your turn signal. With each LED trim ring, you'll receive 2 of our amber white pass-through harnesses which make this installation plug and play. Let's get started by removing the turn signal housings. If you're installing on a 2013 or older model bike, you will need to remove the fairing to access the plug for the pass-through connector. Pull the housing away from the bike and unplug the JAE connector to install the harness. Our pass-through harness will have a male and female end. Fish the end of the converter between the forks and the outer fairing and leave it hanging so we can access it later. Line up your turn signal housing, then grab your 1/2-inch socket and reattach the unit. Then repeat on the other side. Now that we have the pass-through harness installed, you'll need to remove the outer trim ring from the bike. Loosen the screw on the underside of the outer headlamp trim ring and remove it from the bike. Transfer the W-clip, 2 gasket clips, and the rubber gasket to your new LED trim ring. With the outer trim ring removed, you can now see the small inner trim ring which has 3 screws holding it on. Go ahead and unscrew them. Your headlight should come right out. You can unplug the H4 connector to remove it from the bike. Locate the posi locks from your pass-through harness. You want to grab those and pull them up into the headlight bucket for easier access. Get the headlamp trim ring and wire it up. The important thing here is to make sure that the wires from the trim ring are routed so they're not going to get pinched. If you look at the wires coming off the headlamp trim ring, you will see that one section has a white and brown wire. This is going to control the right side of the trim ring. The other section has a white and purple wire, so you want to make sure that you are routing the brown to the right side if you're sitting on the bike. We want to connect the white wire from our trim ring to the white wire on our harness. Then your brown or purple wire will connect to the yellow wire. Once you have all the wires connected, tuck them out of the way or use some tie wraps to secure them as much as you can. Go ahead and reinstall the headlamp and the inner trim ring. The last step is to secure the LED trim ring. You'll want to push and turn the trim ring clockwise until the screw hole is aligned with the mounting arm at the bottom. Use the provided screw to secure the trim ring to the fairing. Our LED trim ring is a perfect match to our bullet rings. It also goes great with our LED windshield trim. For more information regarding the LED trim ring, just give us a call or check out our website.